Hello guys, welcome back to Unique's Insight channel once again. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you a platform where you can earn at least between $5 to $10 per day for free. I mean no investment is required. So you will earn for free just by carrying out simple tasks on this particular platform. Okay? So I promise to be showing you websites where you can earn for free every single day. So today's site that I am going to be revealing is very amazing because I will take my time to break it down step by step for you. So let me show you the platform. Okay, let's go to Chrome. Is a website. Okay, here is the platform. So let me show you people that are already earning on the site. Okay, oh no, let me go to history. So here is the platform. So I will be showing you how to go to the site. So this very site is very simple to earn on it. So this site they pay you by carrying out simple tasks. So the name of this site is Coinpayu. So there are so many people who are earning on this site. Okay, so you also can take advantage of this site. Now the question is, how do you earn on this website? Now without wasting much of your time, let's go straight down to business. So Coinpayu is a platform where you earn easily. Visit the links in the description box or in the pinned comment section or in the Telegram channel or our WhatsApp channel. So I will drop the link to register so that you can take advantage of this site. I will drop the link in the video description box or in the pinned comment section or in our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp group. Locate those links there. So I'll also drop our WhatsApp number where you can reach out to us and ask us that you need the link to this site. And if you want to know more about this site, you can just contact us through the WhatsApp and tell us you want to know more about Coinpayu. Then we will explain everything you need to know and we will help you set up your account and show you step by step how you are going to be earning on the site. Okay, now how do you make money on it? Now I am going to go straight to my dashboard. Once I click on my dashboard and show you how it works. Now if I click on my dashboard, you can easily find main balance, which my main balance is, okay, let me click on my dashboard again. My main balance here is 652. Okay, this is because I have cashed out few months ago because it has been very long I withdraw from this platform and my account was closed, so I recently opened it. So I've withdrawn 3 times in the platform. I have not referred anyone. Even though I refer, those people takes it as joke. So you don't need to refer anybody before you earn on this site. Now how do you earn money and how much is one coin on the Coinpayu? So let's click on the place that says browsing. This is the browsing. Okay, let me put my phone in the desktop version. Okay, now let's go to browsing. This is the browsing. Okay, so you find frameless ad and frame ads. Now the frame out helps you to visit platforms and you wait there for seconds. So let's click on the frameless ads now. So once we click on the frameless ad, you are going to see what is going to pop off. Be trusted free earning. Okay, I will stay there for 30 seconds. So click on the site, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a site. So you wait here for about 30 seconds. So after we are done waiting, we will now do the other ones. So let's just wait here for 30 seconds. Okay, now our 30 seconds is complete. So now let's go back to the site. Okay, you will now, let me go back to dashboard. You will see that my coins have increased. Now I have, oh, let me see. Okay, I now have 440 in my balance. So they will credit you immediately you have performed the task. So let me claim this. Okay, so let's perform another task. Go to your browsing. You always go to your browsing, then click on framed ads. Once you have clicked on framed ads, it's going to pop up like this. Okay, you will see all the ads you have here. Wow, let me remove it from desktop version. Okay, you can see all the ads I have here. Then I'll wait 15 seconds. I'll wait for 15 seconds. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the site. You wait 15 seconds. Okay, I think we are going to hear a sound when it's done loading. 15 seconds. Now they say you have earned 1.14 coins. So now let's now go to how you can withdraw. That is the way you can earn. You can also earn through offers. So these offers, I think, is basically for those that are using iPhone. If you are using iPhone, you are going to get the advantage of performing offer wars. So if you are using an iPhone, you will really earn on this site a lot with offers. But if you are using an Android phone, not to worry, you can just perform the frame ad and the frameless ads. Okay, so okay, I don't know why the network is bad. I'm sorry, the network is bad. It's really bad. So just bear with me, just listen to what all I have to say. So now these are the offer was. You can see you can just download all this app, okay, and you'll be earning from them. You will download all these apps, you will be earning from them. Okay, so let's go to surveys. And let's see, these are the surveys here. If you are using an iPhone, you can easily perform all these tasks here. It's very simple and you will earn a whole lot from performing all these survey works. So now let's go to leaderboard. So we see those, you can see so many people are earning. This one earn $350, this one 5,000, 250, $1,000. So if you know your way on this site, you will really earn a whole lot on this site. So how can you set up your payment method? You need to set up your payment method. Okay, let's click on this place that says dashboard. When you scroll up like this, okay, you will see where it says cash out. You see this place that says cash out that is showing your balance. When you click on it, the network is this. When you click on it, you are going to see crypto and gift card. You can earn your money through crypto and gift card, but we are interested in earning in crypto. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will tell you to, I don't know why the network is behaving this way. It will tell you to fill your wallet. Click on this place again and let's look for profile. Click on profile. Once you click on profile, it will take you to a place like this. So after it has taken you to a place like this, all you need to do is to click on this place that says wallet. Okay, you click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, you are going to see it's going to bring something like this for you. You are going to click it, then you will see Bitcoin, Payer, Dogecoin, Faucetpay, Litecoin and Tron. You can earn through all these methods. So the best way to earn is through Tether USDT, that is TRC20. That is the best way to earn, or you earn through Bitcoin. So you will now go to any wallet, maybe Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet, Bybit Wallet. You will go and copy your Tron, your TRC20 wallet address. You will now come and paste it here. Then you click on next. It's going to take you to this place. Then it's going to tell you to put your enter email code. They will send a code for you. So they will now say it's valid for 15 minutes. You will first set this one up through your profile. After that, you will now go back. Here. Let's go back. Let's leave this place. Then go back to this three line again. Then you will now come back to this place that says dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, then you now click on cash out. Then you are going to cash out. So now, how many coins make $1? That is what I want to tell you now. This is how I do my calculation. I go to this place that says leaderboard. Sorry about that. I'll click on leaderboard. Once I click on leaderboard, it's going to take me to an interface like this. So I'll click on join now. Once I click on join now, it's going to take me to an interface like this. Then you can see this one, and this one is the first position, earn $100. This one earn $40. This one earn $60. So then I will scroll up like this. I will now say total referral. This person referred just one person. Then total point is 2.755. That is $20. 2,755 is $20, makes $20. That is how I do my own calculation. $15 is 2.23 coin. Then 1,936 makes $14. That is how you will do your calculations. Okay, you will come to the leaderboard and join, and you do your calculations. So you can see that these people did not really refer much. This one refer 109, this one refer just 100, this one refer 10 people. So you should know that this site did not need you to refer anybody. Okay, you can also be on the leaderboard if you really work on the site, you really perform all your tasks. They will bring another task for you, you will perform it again. They will be giving you 20 tasks in a day. So once you have performed them, you will really earn a lot on the site. So that is it. And one thing I want to also tell you is that if you can change your location, because this site, I think the advertisers on this site, they pay people in USA much. they pay people outside the country much, like USA, Canada. They pay them much because their 1180 coins can be like, okay, let's say 1260 coins is equals to $1.2 in in dollar for Nigerians. Now for USA, 1260 coin can be like $7. You can see how high they pay those people. They don't pay Nigerian like that. So you should know how much coins will give you, like $10, $15, $20. You should know how many coins can give you that kind of amount. So guys, I want you to take advantage of this site very, very well. What if you take advantage of this site? This site is not stressful. Just do frame hacks, do survey, do other things. Even though you face the frameless ad and this thing, you will earn a lot. I can bet it with you. So I would just advise you to take advantage of this site. So I've shown you how to withdraw. I've shown you how to set up your profile. Okay, if you now know, if you don't understand anything I said about this site, I will drop my WhatsApp number on the screen where you can chat me and tell me to tell you more about Coinpayu, to teach you more, to tell you I should teach you on how to set up your account. I will teach you. Okay, I will teach you. I'm not charging you for that. I will teach you for free. Okay, so because the site is free. So guys, take advantage of Coinpayu. It's really paying. Okay, it's really paying. I've withdrawn in the past. I've withdrawn $5, $10, $15. I've withdrawn 3 times. So those are the withdrawals I've made on the site. So this is my second account. My first account, I did not really remember what the email I used, so I just have to abandon that one, and I just decided to reopen this one. And I now say, let me tell you about this site, because this site is really paying. I should not lie, it's paying. So just take advantage. Don't be lazy, work hard. You are going to earn a lot. You are going to earn from this site. Don't let me say a lot. You are going to earn. In a day you can earn $5. Yes, you can earn $10 in a day. It's how many frameless ad you can perform in a day. If you can perform 100 frameless ad in a day, you should know how much you'll be getting. So I think this will be the end of the video. Before we end the video, I'm Uniqueous Insights. All we do here is to talk about free money making updates. If this is your first time of watching me, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. Please and please subscribe. I beg, subscribe to my channel so that you will get more updates on money making. Guys, I have it plenty. I'll be dropping videos got very well now. I'll be dropping videos. You people will be seeing different kind of videos. So I just want you to follow me up. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, thanks for watching.